Hey guys, welcome to Henry's Bird Room. Today we're going to I'm going to show you. Sorry, happens. I'm going to show you a pair that I put together, lime green pure Gloster consort to a bronze female. They didn't lay too many eggs. They laid like 3 or 4 eggs. But the combination of those two should come out pretty decent. I'm trying to create some colors because those particular ones I wanted to breed them back to a consort, because eventually I want to create a really dark or semi-dark harlequin. Unfortunately, the harlequin that I had that you guys saw in the other show got bit by a spider. That's one of the downfalls when you live out in the country. You know, a lot of you guys, all you folks that live out in the country, and they live out in the country in different parts of the world, will understand that when you're in the mercy of insects and certain bugs, with delicate birds like this, they don't have it's hard. No matter how much you try and how much you spray and how much you do all those things, sometimes it happens. So I'm going to show you so you can see how they look like, and then we'll talk a little more. Well, that's the lime green male. Let's see. There he goes, right there. Lime green male. Okay, there you go. See? It's a really nice, pure Gloster consort male. And I will show you there goes the bronze female. See how nice? The black legs and the black nails and everything. So the baby should, if everything turns out good, the baby should come out really, really nice. Okay, so there you go. Okay. Put it down. Okay. The problem that happens a lot where we live also, that changing climate, even in a room like this with tile, you get fluctuation in temperature sometimes, and it attracts, for a better word, pardon my French, fucked up bugs. They actually destroy canaries. I have been putting up everything that I could possibly imagine to keep all this stuff at bay. So, you know what? Let's keep it. Let's keep track of all this, and I'm going to do all I can to show you guys some really cool stuff, and we're gonna be able to follow all these birds and all these stuff together and have a good time doing it. So give me your likes and your views, and hit that subscribe button. Okay? Thank you for joining me. Bye.